This is the peak of 2021 for me, so bye everyone, see you next year. Oh my god, you guys, I am so excited about this box. You cannot even imagine. I cannot even describe in words how excited I am about this. And before I get started, I just want to give a big shout out to Exway. Thank you so much, and especially Jimmy from Exway. Thank you for making this happen and making my dreams come true. I am, oh my god. Ah! Anyway, so yeah, let's get unboxing. Guys, this is the electric skateboard and it's so big. I totally forgot that it's a longboard style, and yeah, I don't know, it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. I got the Exway Flex Riot one with a belt drive, and it goes up to 40 kilometers an hour, which is way too fast, absolutely irresponsible, and I'm definitely gonna try that at some point once I'm more comfortable with the board though, because right now I do want to still stay alive. I'm not trying to get into hospital too soon, but I am so excited about this. I can't wait to try it out. First, I am going to read the instruction manuals because I need to charge it first before starting. So I'm going to do that, and I'm gonna check with you later. I'm just popping in the charger, and while I'm waiting for the batteries to load, can we just take a moment to marvel at this beautiful piece of art? I mean, just look at it. The Flexi deck is made out of bamboo and fiberglass, and Exway also made sure to add shock-absorbing grip tape to make the ride even more comfortable. The way this board is shaped makes it also extremely comfortable to ride on. I'm just testing the Flex, and right away it feels amazing. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this one. 2 weeks since I got the Exway Flex Riot, and I am absolutely in love with this skateboard. This has been one of the best experiences of my life. It feels, oh my god, it feels like you're flying, you're gliding through the streets, and I've been using it almost every single day. Whenever I have some time, I would just quickly go out for a few rounds. I'm a complete newbie, by the way. I have I wouldn't say zero experience with skateboarding. I did dabble with skateboarding when I was a teenager, about 14, 15 years old, but I was never good at it, so that's why I stopped and never looked back until YouTube suggested a couple of electric skateboarding videos, and I just clicked on them and I watched them and I thought, oh, this looks so cool, but I never really thought that I would get one. I just enjoyed watching the videos until it got to a point where I felt like, okay, I want to try this, I need to get one. Yeah, and I have no regrets whatsoever. It's been such an incredible experience. It's really easy to ride as well. I'm not really good with balancing or with sports in general, but using this has been really easy. I could already comfortably ride after 3 days, and I was able to do some turns. I'm still learning how to carve properly. I can do like slow carving, and I'm also not going very fast because I'm still trying to make sure that I get used to it and get the feel for it a bit more, but it's been really enjoyable. And I think even after a week you can already comfortably ride in the streets, not on the road, but like on the pavements and stuff. And yeah, so yeah, this has been my favorite toy. Like literally, this is the peak of 2021 for me, so bye everyone. See you next year. It's this good. And talking about the price, it's a budget board, but it's still about $700, which is, in my opinion, it's quite expensive. But if you ask me, I think the Exway Flex Riot is worth every penny. The quality is amazing, it's incredible. Nothing about this board feels or looks cheap. Everything is well made. I love the grip tape. It's a bit squishy as well, so it can absorb some of the vibrations, I guess. And it has a flexi deck, which was what I was looking for because I'm still relatively new to skateboarding, so I want something that's comfortable to ride and that can absorb some of the vibrations. I was also incredibly lucky that when I got the board, I didn't really need to make any adjustments. I know that some people say that you need to loosen the trucks a little bit, or you need to loosen the belts a little bit, which I didn't have to do because everything was set perfectly when I got it. If you're looking for a new hobby and you like being outdoors, or you like a little bit of adrenaline, then why not try out electric skateboarding? It's so good. And as far as the board goes, I recommend the Exway Flex because not only because I have it, but I've done a lot of research as well. I've watched a lot of comparisons and reviews, and I've been binge watching Kwan and Ronnie Sarmiento, and I decided to get the Exway Flex because it ticked all the boxes that I was looking for in an electric skateboard. And also for the price, this is incredible. The quality is just insane. So guys, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, it would mean a lot to me. And if you like this video also, then perhaps consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!